What's up, Kyle? How's it going?
Finishing up my egg.
Good morning, everybody! Woo! It is another rainy day in New Jersey. What do you know? We are currently in the car on our way to Mountain Creek Bike Park today. We are heading out to go ride the big bike. So none of the normal mountain biking that you've been seeing on here. We're about to go put in some miles and put the suspension to the test.
Oh boy.
Kyle's first time on a big bike heading to Mountain Creek, and what are you thinking right now?
I'm just not trying to fracture another collarbone, because there's stories every person that goes always breaks a bone. So that's my goal.
Tell them about one of the first times you went to Mountain Creek. Snowboarding.
No, that was Shawnee.
Oh, okay, thank God.
Broke a leg. You know, they say break a leg, so I went and broke a leg. It was pretty good.
What'd you break?
My femur, right in half. It was
the hardest bone in the body.
Oh, 100%.
Nice.
Yeah, I loved it. It was a good time.
We are actually going to be meeting up with Shane Goldsmith. He's a good friend of ours. We just recently rode his backyard skate park on the Scotty Kramer YouTube channel, and it was absolutely amazing. And he says, yo, I've got these big bikes. You want to go meet me at Mountain Creek and we'll rip them? Absolutely.
This bad boy?
So I brought two full faces. No, that's mine. That's mine.
Come on,
the other one's in the corner.
Is it a bullet? You brought me a bullet?
Yeah, no visor. He's gonna look like the bullet heading down the hill. I can't wait.
You just brought me a bullet. Look at this thing.
Look at that. Oh my God. Oh my God, it's a giant drop.
We're safe. Hey, it works. Cool. It didn't move.
Well, we're about 6 minutes from my house. We had to take a little pit stop.
It's not a cheat day. It's a carb day. Yeah, we didn't plan on this, but I saw the shop and I got hungry.
You're not gonna not go get two s'mores donuts when you pass the donut shop. That's perfection. Oh, that's nice. Oh yeah.
All right.
We've got no bikes.
Don't even got a helmet right now.
Kyle's got nothing. We are wearing jeans. We've got no padding. I do have a helmet. We don't look the part at all, but we will ride the part.
Absolutely.
Yeah, we're gonna need a full body check on this guy.
All right.
Look at this dude.
Oh, sick.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Check it!
Wow.
This thing is shiny and beautiful. Shane Goldsmith, everybody. You ready to rip this mountain or what?
Dude, I'm ready.
When was the last time you were here?
I think last year, like in October, it was fun.
Did you ride these bikes or what?
Yeah, these bikes.
Dang.
These are no joke.
Special hypers, right? These are like the unicorns of hyper bikes.
Yeah.
These things you can't just buy these. These are team riders or family only. So Shane is gonna let me borrow one of these things, and it's absolutely unreal looking. All the finest components and all the finest suspension, I hope, because we're gonna be putting them to the test. Chromies. Big orange. Oh yeah, back to the race days. What? Oh, I'm going over it. I don't know where we're going, by the way. Oh, it's so sick. Oh, hit the brakes. Woohoo! Ah! Oh, good. Thank God.
I'll just hop over here.
Uh-huh. Yeah. How are you, dude? Nice to meet you, man. What's your name?
Brady.
Nice to meet you, Brady. Well, best of luck to him, but good luck to you guys, okay? Be safe out there. I didn't know it split. Did you clear that big one?
Oh, yeah.
That was fun.
I didn't know it split. I was gonna go on the rolling side, and I was like, absolutely
No,
not.
I was like, woo.
Huh?
Yeah.
I didn't realize how fast
You get moving
That's
quick, yeah.
crazy.
First impression.
Absolutely insane. I feel like I never got off a bike in my entire life.
Crazy, right?
And I feel like I'm a kid again.
Shane.
Feels good.
Yeah?
I don't know. It's kind of bumpy out there.
Yeah. Sandy too, huh?
Yeah.
Especially when following you. Alright, we're hitting jumps. This bike is so different. Oh my god, I feel so weird. You did it though. That's it. Me too. Ow. Oh, take it easy, Kyle. Take it easy. Oh my god. That is it.
That was so sick.
That's like the dream run right
That was
there.
a perfect run.
Right?
Started it.
There we go.
What is this?
It's a drop. Into that jump.
Walk up to the edge, okay.
No, I'm okay.
You good?
Rather just hit it.
He's hit it?
Sick. That was so sick.
Crazy, right?
So sick.
That's terrifying. bottom out my shocks. Okay. Hi.
No one needs to know that though. Same thing again. Oh, here we go. Yee! Oh, that one was crazy!
Stop! Ow, I buzzed my butt.
Would you case it? Nah, I just hit flat. Oh, sorry.
That sucks. That's a shame. Shane, you have to do the walk of shame, dude.
I know, I gotta go down that fire escape.
What happened? Thorn?
Thorn, rock.
You didn't case, you would never.
I don't case, you know.
No, he don't case. He's got to walk all the way down this beautiful mountain.
Womp, womp, womp.
I'll start doing the walk of shame now.
Yep. Feeling like a mountain biker now?
Oh, MTB all day.
Too easy, right?
Easy.
Where's
Easy,
the bigger
easy.
jumps?
No. That I do not.
This bike is absolutely insane. So we swapped bikes. I got the real downhill bad boy, and it feels absolutely unreal. I'm next to you. What a small world. Currently on the lift at Mountain Creek right now, and in that next cart is my dude Joe. I still don't know how to pronounce his last name. Economio. And that's the dude who told us how to find the dinosaurs at Alair State Park. It's pretty funny. He runs up and he's like, "Hey, I told you how to find the dinosaurs." No way! Small world though. That's awesome.
Wow.
Here it is, cabin drop. Should I do it? Yes or no? I think that's a yes. Oh my God! You guys are nuts! You're nuts! What do you think?
Why not?
First time mountain biking, you're hitting the cabin drop.
Cabin drop.
All right, let's do it. Oh, Kyle's in.
Get it.
Matt's first cabin drop.
Hell yeah.
That was easy. We should do it a couple more times. No.
Take a lift up.
Yeah! That was sick. Good work, dude.
You get it? Oh, you get.
I absolutely cannot believe we just hit the cabin drop. First time I came here, I would not do it, and we just linked up with some buddies, that dude Joe and his friends, and they all did it. Shane did it. Kyle's like, I'll do it, so I've got to do it. That felt absolutely amazing, and I'm so stoked we just accomplished that. We made it the whole entire day to the last run to slide out. Just going around like one of the last berms in the section. Thought there was more of a berm on it, and front wheel went right over, slid out, scratched up the nice chrome bike. I am sorry. The day is coming to an end. We had such a blast on the big bikes today. It felt absolutely amazing, obviously, until I ate it, because now my arm is literally on fire. Shane's laughing. Shane, I just want to thank you for coming out and meeting us out here. That was absolutely amazing. Thank you for letting me borrow the sickest bike in the world.
Oh, the big guy.
Any of the damages that I caused, I will 100% pay for, I promise.
He got insurance, so.
But I did buy the insurance through Shane. It was 20 bucks, it was great, covered everything. Kyle Dulock, thank you for coming out. That was amazing. And I hope we can get back to Mountain Creek soon, because this place is so much fun. It's like a whole different side of things, and it makes you feel really, really cool when you're on like a monster truck bike. I feel like Gravedigger out there. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Please go like, comment, and subscribe, and everybody go have the best day ever. Go motivate the people around you to do something really cool and do something different than what you're used to. The time is right now. Get stoked. We're gonna make it. See ya.